Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Satomi. I'm a stay-at-home mom and I make videos sharing all the things that I do as a stay-at-home mom. And today's video is going to be my watermelon summer salad. This salad is refreshing, it's crunchy and crispy, it's tasty, it's a little sweet, a little savory, and it's perfect for summertime. So if you're interested in seeing how I make this delicious watermelon summer salad, then please keep watching. So this salad is super easy and you only need 4 ingredients. You're gonna need watermelon, cucumber, a shallot, and you'll also need some crumbled feta cheese. So now all I have to do is cut up the watermelon, the cucumbers, and the shallot and mix it all in a bowl. Oh my gosh, there is a crazy big fly in here and I hate flies. I hope you don't hear it buzzing in my video. So that's it. That's how you make my watermelon summer salad. Let me know in the comments below what are your favorite summer salads. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and I would love to have you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other videos. I am a stay-at-home mom and I make videos sharing all the things that I do as a stay-at-home mom. This ranges from organizing, cleaning, cooking, mom beauty, and mom fashion. Basically all things stay-at-home mom life. I hope you're all having a wonderful summer and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.